So guys, welcome to the lecture 2 part 1 and topic is loops. So first we discuss what is a loop, why we need loop. So loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a specific condition is met. Okay, so why we are using loops? So instead of writing same code multiple times, loops help in reducing code repetition. C++ provide three main types of loop. First one is a for loop, second is the while loop, and the third one is a do while loop. Loops can also use control statement like break, continue, and go to. Okay, here we discuss types of loop. So first one is a for loop. So for loop is used when number of iteration is known. And here you can see the syntax of for loop. So first we just write here for, then initialization, then second is the condition, and third is a update. So update means increment or decrement, and here we write our code. And you can see the example. Suppose we are printing number from 1 to 5. Okay, so we just start our for loop first. Okay, and the starting value is basically 1 and last value is a 5 because we are printing number from 1 to 5. Okay, so first we print this I is basically what? 1. So we just print 1 here. Then compiler go here and increase I by 1. Okay, so I is here 1. So now increase by 1. So become 2. Okay, and check 2 is lesser than 5. Yes, so just print again 2. Okay, so now 1 2 result. Okay, and again come here. Now become 3. And 3 check 3 is a lesser or equal to the 5. Yes, condition is it true. So now print 3 and compiler go here and increase 3 by 1. So become 4. So condition is again check 4 is a greater or equal to the 5. Yes, so just print 4 again. Okay, and go here. So increase by 1. So become 5 and 5 check 5 is a lesser or equal to the 5. Yes, so condition is a true again. So just print 5. Okay, then compiler come again here and increase 5 by 1. So become 6 and 6 here check 6 is a lesser or equal to the 5. No, so this condition become false. So compiler come directly outside this for loop. Okay, here compiler come here and directly return 0. So print 1 to 5. So second type is a while loop. So while loop is used when number of iteration is not known. So here you can see the syntax of while loop. So first we write our while, then we just use our condition here, and this is the code for execution. Okay, here we are taking one example also. So suppose we are printing number from 1 to 5. Okay, so first we just starting our first position from 1. So I is a 1. Okay, and here we just write condition similar to the above code. So 1. So I is a lesser or equal to the 5. Okay, so we just print first I. Okay, then I increase by 1. So become 2. And we are just printing 1 to 5 similar to the above one. So third types is basically do while loops. Similar to the while, but it executed at least one. Okay, so this do while loop executed at least once if condition is a false. So you can see the syntax of do while loop. So first we write our do. Okay, and this is a code for execution. Here we write. Okay, then after we write our while condition. So we just start while and here we just put the condition. So you can take example again. Okay, so suppose we are now printing again 1 to 5. Okay, so we are starting value from 1. So now just print 1. Okay, then increase I by 1. So I become 2. Okay, now check 2 is lesser than 5. Yes, so condition is a true. So just print again 2 here. Okay, and increase by 1 again. So become 3 and 3 check again. So again print 3 similar to the 4 and 5. So you can see here loop control statement. Okay, so break is used for the control statement. So break means basically exit from the loop immediately, and continue means skips the current iteration and move to the next one, and go to means jump to the labeled statement. Okay, here you can see the comparison table between for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay, so for loop is basically before body. Okay, so condition check before the body in for loop and similar to the while loop also. And in do while loop basically we check condition after the iteration. So after the body. Okay, and suppose condition is a false, so this for loop runs 0 times, and similar to the while loop. Do while loop basically, suppose condition is a false, so this do while loop print at least one time. Okay, at least one time. So this is a comparison table of do while loop, for loop, and while loop. So I think it's clear to everyone. So thank you.